Hey everybody, welcome back to the Nerf Guys. I'm Danny.
I'm Gabe.
And today we're going to do an unboxing of the
Nerf Mega DoubleBreach.
The Nerf Mega DoubleBreach. This is pretty cool looking blaster right here. Hold it up here so you can see it. Go ahead and tell us about it, bub.
Breech-load.
It's a breech-load.
Dart storage. Take on targets with this breech-load double barrel blaster that fires one dart a time.
It says here that the ratings on this is 30% of darts is between 85 to 93 feet. 70% of the darts are less than 85 feet in their test. It also has a pump action on it. It fires one dart from each barrel, and it comes with 6 mega darts. We'll go ahead and open this thing up and get it out.
Here's the gun.
While you're checking out the gun there, tell them about that gun.
It has like a little slide on the side. Pull that back, and you have to cock it, and then you pull it back. That's where you put the bullets in, and then it's a 1-pin prime. It has a tactical rail, and it's pretty neat. And don't forget right here. So we have like something in the box to where it holds the extra bullets on right here. It's a nice blaster too. You just put those in, like.
Looks like it just snaps in there, huh?
Yeah, something.
There's a little force down into it.
Kind of.
There you go.
You load it up like this.
Turn it around so they can see it.
You put the bullet and then go. You need 2 bullets.
And then you can put the rest of them in the side.
Yeah. So you go 1, 2.
I'm going to cut one with my pocket knife a little bit. That should be alright.
3 and 4.
Oh, and don't forget these. The instructions. Who needs the instructions? Alright, give it a shot toward the stairs up there and see what it looks like. Oh. Pretty awesome, I like that. You want to load it up and do it again? Nice. I like it.
It sounds like it hurts.
Well,
that's the Nerf Mega DoubleBreach.
The Nerf Mega DoubleBreach. It also has a place right here. It looks like you can sling that thing, you know, and from your sidearm or something.
And like
put it on a shoulder strap or something like that and use it for like a shotgun. I think that'll come in handy in a Nerf war. What do you think?
Yeah. It has a sling.
So, there you have it. We thank everybody for watching us and tuning back in for our videos. And that is our conclusion on the Nerf Mega DoubleBreach. And we'll give some test fires on this thing and do a complete review on it later down the road. So don't forget to watch out for our review on this gun. And if you like this video and you want to see more like these unboxings and other videos we have,
hit that subscribe button.
hit that like button too. Give us a thumbs up. Appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching. You're welcome.